How to lower the camera light on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open camera on your device and then tap on the flash icon from the bottom left of your screen, and you can then go ahead and select the auto option you see there. This will reduce camera brightness automatically if the scene is well lit. Next, you can also simply tap on the off option for flash and then swipe down on the sun icon to lower the exposure. You can also, in camera, tap on the moonlight icon you see there on the bottom of your screen, and then you will see a slider appear above the shutter button. Drag the slider left to lower night mode intensity, or you can simply turn it off. This will reduce the light camera artificially adds. Next, in camera again, go ahead and open the video tab and then tap on the flash icon. You can then turn on the video light and then hold the flash icon again and a brightness slider will appear. You can drag down the lower brightness option you see there. Or you can also simply swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, tap and hold the flashlight icon and move the slider down to reduce the brightness. So these were a few ways on how you can lower the camera light on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.